There is an old belief that if you find an acorn and carry it with you, it brings good luck, and that if you hug an oak, you become stronger. For an oak is mighty, lush, resistant, powerful. What an eagle is among birds, that's what oak is among plants. Long time ago, Skadar pedunculate oak, locally known as oak lužnjak, used to form huge forests along the Zeta River valley, around Lake Skadar and the Bojana River. Skadar pedunculate oak forests were a home to nightingales, squirrels, and butterflies, as well as a place for gatherings and enjoyment. Its bark and acorns were used for the preparation of medicines. During the summer, its canopy offered us shade. Its dry branches warmed us in the winter, and our houses were built from its trunk. Nevertheless, people became ungrateful to the nature's gifts. Living together with oaks was replaced with the devastation of its woodlands. Trees were cut down so that houses could be built in their place, ground turned to fields, and healthy tree trunks used for heating. Ungratefulness always has a price, and so today we are witnessing severe floods due to lack of extensive roots that absorb rainwater. Our air is now polluted because there are no grand canopies to purify the air. And climate change threatens to ruin life on Earth because the deforestation caused the breaking of the eco-chain whose part we were for thousands of years. Let's see what the numbers say. A single-grown Skadar pedunculate oak is sufficient to clear the air from harmful gases produced by a car driving for entire 7,000 kilometers. That one oak is enough to absorb 10,000 liters of flood waters. That means that oak forests can protect us from both pollution and floods, asking nothing in return. If all that is possible thanks to a single tree, it's not hard to imagine what an entire forest could give us. It is estimated that favors that one oak forest gives us in 1 year could be worth millions of euros. Forests grow at a slow pace. Many years are needed until we are able to use them. But once they're formed again, our living space will have a strong natural shelter, the quality of soil will increase, rivers and streams will be richer and purer, and the value of our land will grow. You too can adopt and raise an oak. One day you will be able to show it off, just like those who shielded them from human mistreatment for years can do so today. So let's reform oak forests. For a start, we can collect and plant acorns, as tiny acorns turn into mighty oaks. Let us restore strength to life and nature. Be a part in an oak net.